Once a pioneer in the world of SLR and DSLR cameras, Nikon is now one of the heavy hitters in the mirrorless camera market, offering more and more models to suit different budgets and experience levels, along with a slowly growing lineup of killer lenses. Whether you're looking for a DSLR or mirrorless camera, full frame or crop sensor, or a more straightforward point-and-shoot camera, Nikon has something for everyone. So let's get started. Number 5. Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon Z50 is a compact, lightweight mirrorless camera designed for photographers and content creators who demand high image quality and performance in a portable package. As Nikon's first DX format mirrorless camera, the Z50 is built with a large 55mm lens mount, offering superior low-light performance and image quality. Compact and durable, the Nikon Z50 is easy to carry, making it ideal for travel photography or on-the-go shooting without compromising on durability and performance. DX format with large lens mount. The camera is the first in Nikon's DX format series to use the large 55mm lens mount, ensuring enhanced light capture, resulting in better image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. 20.9 MP sensor and 4K UHD video. The camera features a 20.9 megapixel sensor, delivering sharp, detailed photos. Its 4K UHD video capability makes it perfect for vloggers and videographers, allowing for stunning, high-resolution footage. Wireless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the Z50 makes it simple to pair with smartphones for instant sharing or remote control, ideal for creators on the go. Flip-down LCD screen. The flip-down touch LCD screen is designed for easy self-portraits and vlogging, ensuring a user-friendly experience for content creators and bloggers. Lens compatibility. The camera is compatible with Nikon Z lenses, offering access to a wide range of high-quality optics. Additionally, using the FTZ mount adapter, it is also compatible with F-mount Nikon lenses, providing flexibility for Nikon users with existing lenses. The Nikon Z50 combines portability, versatility, and high-quality performance, making it an excellent choice for both photography enthusiasts and professional creators. The next is Number 4. Nikon Zf Mirrorless Camera. This camera brings together classic design and modern technology, delivering an exceptional shooting experience for photographers and videographers. With its 24.5 MP full-frame sensor and Expeed 7 processing power, this camera is designed to capture high-resolution images with incredible detail and low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. Full-frame resolution. The 24.5 MP full-frame sensor ensures high-quality images with impressive detail, while the Expeed 7 processor provides fast performance and enhanced image processing for both stills and video. Advanced AF system with 3D tracking. The Zf's autofocus system includes subject recognition for up to 9 different subjects, offering precise focus and 3D tracking to keep your subjects sharp, whether you're shooting people, animals, or moving objects. Versatile video capabilities. For video enthusiasts, the Zf offers 4K/30p oversampled from 6K and 4K UHD/60p video recording. It also supports 1080/120p slow motion for creative storytelling. Video options include 10-bit H, 265 with SDR/Inlog/HLG, providing flexibility for a wide range of shooting styles. Pixel shift shooting technology. The Zf introduces pixel shift technology, allowing you to create stunning 96 MP stills, perfect for capturing ultra-high-resolution images with minimal noise. 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen. The camera's vari-angle touchscreen enhances ease of use, offering intuitive controls through the new Touch FN feature. This allows you to move focus points, select subjects for tracking, and toggle between display modes while using the viewfinder. The Nikon Zf combines classic aesthetics with cutting-edge features, offering photographers and videographers a versatile, high-performance camera that's both functional and stylish. Whether shooting stills or video, the Zf is equipped to deliver professional quality results. The next is Number 3. Nikon Z30 Mirrorless Camera. This camera is designed to meet the needs of creators, vloggers, and streamers, offering a user-friendly experience with professional-level features. Paired with a versatile 16-50mm wide-angle zoom lens, it captures stunning 4K video and high-quality images, making it an ideal choice for content creators looking to elevate their work. Designed for creators, the Nikon Z30 is a compact, easy-to-use camera perfect for vloggers and streamers. Its 16-50mm wide-angle zoom lens allows for dynamic shooting from landscapes to close-ups, ensuring versatility in content creation. Pro-grade video quality. The Z30 delivers crisp 4K resolution, providing excellent image quality. Its autofocus system includes eye tracking for both people and pets, ensuring sharp focus. With beautifully blurred backgrounds, rock-steady image stabilization, and outstanding low-light performance, the Z30 excels in any shooting condition. Vlogger essentials. The Z30 is equipped with everything a vlogger needs. The flip-out touchscreen allows for easy selfie shooting, while the built-in stereo microphone with adjustable sensitivity ensures clear audio. A red rec light helps confirm when recording is in progress, and the smartphone app offers remote camera control. Easy live streaming. The camera is designed for seamless live streaming, offering full HD 60p streaming over USB-C and 4K 30p streaming over HDMI. It also supports constant power via USB-C, ensuring uninterrupted live streaming sessions. Expandable kit. As your skills grow, the Nikon Z30 can grow with you. It's compatible with Nikon Z lenses, allowing you to expand your capabilities with fast primes, macro lenses, and more. The Nikon Z30 mirrorless camera provides an ideal combination of simplicity and performance for creators seeking pro-grade results. The next is Number 2. Nikon Z9 mirrorless camera. This mirrorless camera stands as a powerhouse for professional photographers and videographers, offering cutting-edge technology for capturing high-quality stills and video. With its robust 45-7MP sensor and advanced features, it is designed to meet the demands of the most fast-paced shooting environments. 45-7MP stack CMOS sensor and Expeed 7 processor. The Nikon Z9 features a 45-7MP stack CMOS sensor, delivering remarkable image quality. Paired with the Expeed 7 image processor, the Z9 provides lightning-fast performance and powerful autofocus, ensuring sharpness even with the fastest-moving subjects. Deep Learning Subject Detection. Equipped with Deep Learning AI, the Z9 automatically detects and tracks subjects, including people, cats, dogs, birds, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, trains, and planes. It switches seamlessly between subjects in both still and video modes, eliminating the need for manual menu changes. Rapid continuous shooting. The Z9 captures 45-7MP stills at 20 or 30 FPS and can shoot at 120 FPS with 11MP resolution, all while maintaining full AF&E capabilities. Its blackout-free electronic viewfinder ensures smooth, uninterrupted shooting, making it ideal for fast action scenes. 8K video and 4K slow motion. The camera supports 8K/30p video capture for over 2 hours, giving filmmakers the freedom to create long-form content in ultra-high definition. It also offers 4K 120p slow motion for cinematic video effects, as well as 10-bit 4K/30p video from oversampled 8K recorded in camera as per 422 HQ or H. 265. Efficient RAW format. The new high-efficiency RAW format compresses files to 1/3 the size of uncompressed RAW, retaining high image quality and dynamic range, thus streamlining storage without compromising on performance. The Nikon Z9 is a game-changer for professionals, combining speed, precision, and adaptability in one exceptional camera. The next is Number 1. Nikon Z6 II mirrorless camera. This mirrorless camera brings a new level of versatility and performance to photographers and videographers alike. With its 24-5MP BSI sensor, it excels in low light conditions while delivering crisp, high-quality images and videos. 24-5MP BSI sensor. The Nikon Z6 II offers 24-5MP full-frame resolution, perfect for capturing detailed images even in challenging low-light environments. Its 14 FPS shooting speed makes it ideal for capturing fast action with precision. 4K UHD video excellence. With full pixel readout and 4K UHD capabilities, the Z6 II delivers top-tier video performance. It supports 4K UHD 60p for smooth, high-quality footage, making it a standout for serious videographers. The camera also boasts improved AF performance, ensuring quick and accurate subject tracking and a buffer capacity 3.5x larger than its predecessor. Dual card slots. Equipped with CFexpress/XQD and UHS-2 SD card slots, the Z6 II offers flexibility and peace of mind for event and wedding photographers. The dual slots allow for backup and overflow, ensuring you never miss an important moment. Vertical grip and USB-C power. For extended shooting sessions, the Z6 II is compatible with a vertical battery grip, providing extra power and convenient shutter operation for vertical shots. The camera also supports USB-C constant power and charging, making it ideal for live streaming, video shoots, and time-lapses without the worry of running out of battery. Lens compatibility. The Z6 II is compatible with the growing range of Nikon Z lenses, and with the FTZ mount adapter, it can also use over 360 farads mount Nikon lenses, offering great flexibility for photographers. With its blend of speed, low light capabilities, and professional-grade video features, the Nikon Z6 II is the perfect companion for creators seeking enhanced performance and versatility, so this is the best option for you to buy.